Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best KitKat Japan is probably one of the most fascinating and diverse confectionery experiences you can embark on, transforming a familiar chocolate bar into an extraordinary journey of unique flavors, textures, and cultural influences that go far beyond the standard milk chocolate, making each bite an adventure for your taste buds and a delightful surprise for any snack enthusiast looking for something truly special. Number 5. Nestle Japan KitKat Mini Adult Sweetness Strawberry. Experience a unique taste sensation from Japan. These delightful treats offer a perfect blend of sweetness and sophistication. Discover the special Adult Sweetness Edition. It's crafted for a more refined palate, offering a balanced and enjoyable flavor. Savor the rich and authentic strawberry taste. Each bite delivers a burst of fruity goodness, making it truly irresistible. This pack contains 10 individually wrapped mini bars, ideal for a quick treat or sharing. They are perfectly sized for any moment. You receive not one, but 2 packs, ensuring you have plenty to enjoy. Share them with friends or keep them all to yourself. What we like? This one offers a sophisticated strawberry taste with reduced sweetness. Its delicate fruitiness is perfect for a refined palate. If you enjoy elegant, less sugary treats with a fruity twist, you should consider this option. What people say. Number 4. Konbini Japan 24 Mini Japanese KitKat Variety Pack. Unbox a world of authentic Japanese flavors with this special assortment. It brings you the unique taste of Japan right to your home. Each pack contains 24 mini KitKats, featuring 8 distinct and exciting flavors. You'll get 3 of each, ensuring plenty to share or savor. These are genuine Japanese candy snacks, known for their delightful wafer texture and rich chocolate. They offer an authentic sweet experience. Enjoy their cute, small size, making them ideal for a quick snack or a delightful treat. They are perfectly portioned for any moment. Compared to Western versions, these KitKats contain less sugar. You can indulge in their deliciousness with a little less guilt. Looking for a unique present? This variety pack makes an excellent gift for any candy lover or someone curious about Japanese sweets. What we like? This pack is a fantastic way to explore a wide range of Japanese KitKat flavors. With 8 distinct options, there's something for everyone to discover. If you are looking for an exciting tasting adventure or a delightful gift, this assortment is your best bet. What people say. Number 3. KitKat Japan Import, Matcha Latte and Adult Sweetness. Discover the unique world of KitKat. It brings joy and deliciousness in every bite. This special pack offers you not one, but 2 exciting bags. Prepare for a delightful journey of flavors. Savor the rich and aromatic matcha latte flavor. It's a perfect blend of creamy sweetness and authentic green tea notes. Indulge in the adult sweetness flavor, crafted for a more refined palate. It offers a subtle yet satisfying taste experience. These exclusive flavors are genuine Japanese imports. They bring a taste of Japan's unique confectionery culture right to you. What we like? This duo brings together 2 highly sought-after Japanese flavors, creamy matcha latte and refined adult sweetness. It's an excellent choice for those who appreciate both traditional and modern Japanese confectionery. If you like to enjoy popular flavors side by side, this combination is ideal for you. What people say. Number 2. Nestle Japan KitKat Adult Sweetness Rich Matcha. Indulge in a unique treat from Japan. This special KitKat offers a sophisticated flavor profile. Designed for a mature palate, it provides a balanced sweetness. You'll appreciate its refined taste. Savor the deep, authentic taste of rich matcha. It delivers a truly satisfying green tea experience. Each pack contains 10 individual pieces, ideal for sharing or personal enjoyment. You get 2 of these convenient packs. Discover a delightful fusion of chocolate and traditional Japanese matcha. It's the perfect way to elevate your snack time. What we like? This variant delivers an intensely rich matcha experience with its signature adult sweetness. It captures the deep, earthy notes of authentic Japanese green tea perfectly. If you are a true matcha connoisseur seeking a robust and genuine flavor, this is the one to pick. What people say. Number 1. KitKat Limited Edition Cookies and Cream Wafer. Discover the delightful taste of this special edition KitKat. It brings together the classic wafer with a beloved flavor combination. Experience the rich, creamy goodness of cookies and cream in every bite. This unique blend offers a truly satisfying treat. Each pack contains 12 individually wrapped mini bars, making them ideal for sharing or enjoying on the go. They are designed for your convenience. Crafted with care in Japan, these wafers represent the high quality and unique flavors of Japanese confectionery. You'll taste the difference. Whether you call them sweets, cookies, or candy, these delicious snacks are perfect for any time of day. Indulge yourself with this delightful treat. Don't miss out on this exclusive flavor. It's a special offering that won't be around forever, so grab yours while you can. What we like. This limited edition flavor offers a delightful Japanese take on the beloved cookies and cream classic. It provides a comforting yet unique snacking experience. If you enjoy familiar flavors with a special, unique twist, you should definitely try this one. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.